Good evening, viewers around the world. It's a privilege to be with you again. This beautiful Thursday evening, it is an honor. One more time, my name is James Oshakwade. Like I've always come on this platform to share with you fatherhood on this platform. But so far, I'm still on the realm of what? Of manhood, because I believe it is the realm of what? Of preparation. So it leads us to what? Still the topic I've been teaching about, the formation of a man, which is gotten in Genesis 2:7. So far, I've been discussing about what the usage of a dust by God. Why God used what? Dust to form a man, because it is what? Of a very high quality. God used dust to cover man so that man can penetrate himself into other souls building. I mentioned that in the last teaching, that you can penetrate yourself into what? Into people's soul, because you are a soul yourself. You are using what? Your own what? Your own high quality gifting of a soul to penetrate into other soul. Like we have been seeing in our world today, big company have come on, they penetrate themselves into our life through even this gadget I'm using to communicate with you right now. The design of man is to penetrate himself into any other substance that exists in the realm of time. You are what? Dust is used to what? To put your formation together by God so that you can penetrate. A dust, like we all know, can penetrate into anything uninvited. That's why you can see that man that created Twitter, he can what? Penetrate into any human being that will use it as a microblog material to communicate with one another around the face of the earth today. You can see that's a good example. That man used his platform called Twitter to penetrate into every other word, every other platform today. So you are designed by God to penetrate. You are designed by God to penetrate into what? Into substance. So dust is a medium through which man can integrate himself into anything in the realm of time. So dust is a medium through which man can integrate himself into anything in the realm of time. That's to say that what? You can penetrate yourself into anything in the realm of time by what? By using what? Your software, the software that God have what? Produced into you. Don't forget, you are the only one that owns what? Your DNA. Nobody shares your DNA with you. That's to make you unique. You are a very unique soul, a unique human being that what? You can penetrate yourself. The only reason why God used a high quality material to pull you up in the what? In the realm of time together is what? Is to use that substance to penetrate, which is what? That substance is called what? Is called dust. So God used the most powerful substance on earth to clothe man, and the name of that substance remains what? Dust. He used that word, powerful substance. So any man, any father, you listening to me, you are made up of a powerful substance. You can infiltrate anybody, and through that, not just anybody, any substance, through what? The power of your word. Don't forget, you are made up of what? A spirit, a soul, and your body. It is this body you use to what? To infiltrate here what? On earth by using what? Your mouth. by using your words. You speak out, and as you speak out, what happens is that heaven backs your word up, what to produce, to form something. That's why people that understand this realm have been able to use words to generate what? To generate massive wealth into what? Into their life. Thank you. My time is up. I'll see you again next Tuesday by 6:30 p.m. Thank you.